Alright, I'm here in New York City on my live stream, and we finally came back to Ray's Pizza. I quite enjoyed it when I was here in 2019. Alright, we're at Ray's Pizza. It's Ray's Pizza and Bagel Cafe. And I got the pepperoni, pineapple on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. And this is for my food channel, pizza review. I had it already, so I know it's a 5-star review for me. Let's do this. Alright, here's the Ray's Pizza. So that's how it is. But it's, I think, is it because it's a long, like it's pretty long slice of pizza. But it's firm around here. And nice thin underneath. There's a crispy underneath. It's a crispy one underneath. You got the sweet and savory. That's good. It's called a New York flop. Okay. It's called a New York flop. But it's so good, you know. I love it. You're in this area, Ray's Pizza. Sally loves pizza. I think it's there's some people that don't like pizza, but look how nice and thin crust. Oh, I love it. Pepperoni is not salty. It's very good. Oh. I mean, pepperoni has a saltiness, but it's not overly salty. Just how I remembered it when I had it, the slice here. And then every bite is a pepperoni. That's the key. Because there's a lot of places that they're so stingy on the pepperoni. But every bite is a pepperoni. Look at that. Take your bite. Take your bite. Yum, yum, yum. Take your bite. Who wants a bite? Yum, yum, yum. Oh, so good. Sweet and savory. Good combo. I recommend it. And I sprinkled some chili flakes. Yeah, this is a more than a 5-star. Oh yeah. More than a 5-star, guys. Not too greasy. Good, good. We're smiling at me. Love it. Cosmo, have you tried it? Ray's Pizza? Okay. So anyone visiting New York or anyone who lives in New York, I highly recommend Ray's Pizza. Very good. I think it was $7 and change with the slice and the pop. All right, take your last bite. Yum, yum, yum.